Hi, I'm the DIY queen over here at KOB4. You might see me anchor the morning show. My name's Danielle Todesco. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a little caterpillar friend. So for our DIY sock caterpillars, you will need an old pillow for the stuffing, some pipe cleaners, I forgot what they're called, some cute little plastic hair ties. These are cheap from the dollar store, long socks, googly eyeballs, my favorite, a glue gun. You'll need your mom or dad's help with that part, and some scissors. Let's get going. So we're going to, I want to start with the red ones. The funner, the color, the better. Okay, so we've got a sock. And we're gonna cut into the pillow. How fun is this, you guys? Just dig right in. Okay, we're going to stuff this. Look at that. Ah, I love that. Okay. That's the head of our caterpillar there. And then we're going to, actually, this one gets tied off with the pipe cleaner. What do you think, guys? A green antenna? I think so. It's a little Christmassy. So wrap it around the ball, and we're going to make it as tight as we can and twist it several times. There's our antenna. We might trim those down later. Another big handful of the stuff. And push it right up against where we have the pipe cleaners. Hair tie. Careful not to snap it. Ooh, we're risking it. It's risky. We're making it through. Okay, just I think 2 is tight enough. Look, it's taking shape. Let's do a little bit less stuffing on this next one. And another elastic. This is already so cute. I love it already. And one more little stuffing. Okay, let's trim these because I don't like how long they are. Eyeball time. This is where you can use normal glue and it's going to take a while to dry, or you can get someone's help, an adult's help, and glue them on with a hot glue gun. What do you say? The bigger the better, right? Ooh, mismatched. How about that? Oh, those are the same. I think so, you guys. I think so. Okay. Put some glue onto the eyeball. Ouch! That's why you want Mom and Dad's help. Ah. that set it off. Look at him! Flip-de-doo. I love that. Thanks so much for doing this fun little craft with me. We hope to see you next time.